There we go. All right, so what brings you today? What's been going on?
So sometimes I have back pain, but not too much. So my goal is today, I guess, is just to start taking better care of my back, making sure I'm doing proper posture and things like that.
Okay. Any prior injuries?
I have had prior injuries due to accidents.
Okay.
And so I experienced lower back pain and kind of mid back pain.
Okay. And what kind of accidents were they?
Rear-ended.
Rear-ended? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like pretty fast rear-ends or just...
We weren't going too fast. I was at a standstill, and then the guy kind of rammed the back of my Lexus.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. And then any kind of childhood trauma?
No childhood trauma.
No, like jumping on the bed and then falling off?
That's a good question. I don't think so, but I have. So I did have one experience with trauma because I fell and hit weights right here. And so that's trauma, I guess, and that's from my childhood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just go ahead and close your eyes for me and just take a couple steps in place for me. Now go ahead and stop and you can go ahead and relax yet. I didn't do much. Now you're in good shape.
Oh, really?
Yep. Go ahead and turn away from me. Face this wall.
So this wall.
Yeah, you're good. Move my hands on your shoulders, okay?
Yep.
Yeah, that's high. That's a little high. Not too bad.
Okay.
Just going to press in here. Okay, feel this in the mid-back. And then a little bit in the low.
Okay.
Especially on the, more on the right.
Mm-hmm.
Here it's a little tender, right?
Just a little bit.
Okay. I'm going to put my hands on your hips, okay?
Okay.
The right's a little high, but not too much of an imbalance. It's good. Relax the neck for me. Just let it fall back. Good. Yeah, I can feel the tightness at the top of the neck here. And a little bit down at the lower neck. And I can feel how this shoulder is hiked up too.
Yeah.
This shoulder doesn't want to drop.
I don't know why. It's not cooperating.
So it can be how you sleep. Like, are you a side sleeper?
I am, and that's probably not good, right?
So it's better than laying on your stomach.
Okay.
I will say that.
Okay.
Because usually what happens when you're a side sleeper is that usually one shoulder will hike up. Especially when you're sleeping on that side.
Okay.
And then I also don't know how high the pillow is, because depending on how high the pillow, your neck can sometimes also do this, and then this shoulder comes up.
Okay.
So then you can really crimp this side and really stretch this side.
Okay.
Okay. That's really tight. Okay. But I can just see how this muscle is really hypertoned, so it's just in a little microspasm.
Okay.
Like I can just see how tight it is. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Let the neck fall back over my hand. Good. And the other side. Yeah, this side feels a little better. Right side's stuck.
Okay.
Good. Drop the left shoulder. That's it. That's all it's gonna go. Alright. And relax the leg for me. There you go. Good. Good. Do the knee. Good. Alright. And then knee. Relax the knee for me.
Nope. Sorry.
You're good. Hey. Good. Alright. You can go ahead and relax. Bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Mm-hmm. Just come forward. Just let this foot lock behind this knee. There you go. Good. Alright, I'm going to have you turn your head towards this shoulder. Let that drop back. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to roll you towards me, but I got you.
Okay.
Okay, let this arm come back a little bit more for me. There you go. There we go.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, this left side does not want to move.
Oh boy.
You feel how this is like...
Yeah, and it's kind of tender there. Oh.
Well, actually, it's more of your right side doesn't want to move now. Either way, they're both kind of stuck. This side doesn't want to move. And also still that side. Alright, I'm going to do this, just press. Hey, you can see how this one wants to glide?
Mm-hmm.
And then this one's like, nope. Alright, go ahead and take a deep breath for me. And then out. Oof. Alright, deep breath for me. That's it. Okay, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
I'm stiff, it's okay.
Just checking. Well, even though you're stiff, we're still getting movement in there.
Okay.
Alright. Little breath in for me.
Ooh.
Good. No. Good. Alright, go ahead and breathe out. So. Good. Breathe. Good. And this one's the one that's tight.
Okay. Oh yeah, I can feel the difference.
Mm-hmm. I also could see immediately that like this knee didn't want to come down towards the table.
That is so
It was
weird.
being held upward.
Okay.
The other knee was like very flexible. Like the knee was like fine. But this one's like, no, we're gonna contract.
Okay.
The back doesn't feel too bad.
That's good.
Okay, it does have its problems. Don't get me
Yes.
wrong, but it doesn't. It's not horrible.
Okay.
Like I can tell you've taken good care of yourself.
I'm trying. I am trying.
But yeah, you can see how her whole left side is up. And her shoulder is down. This shoulder is down. This shoulder is up. She's all twisted in here.
That's okay.
So for you, in order to correct this, you almost have to go like that.
Okay.
To correct this position you're in. Because right now you're like this.
Okay.
So I have to get it moved like this, and then that fixes your back.
Okay.
So we almost have to do what I say is mirror imaging. So if your back presents to me twisted like this, I have to twist it the other way to get this laying in an equilibrium to equal out the sides. Because I don't want you going further into this side that's getting blown out. You have to start pushing into this side of your back to help this heal. Okay. So I'm going to hold it there. Just going to come through. Take a deep breath for me. Okay.
Thanks.
All right, one more. Maybe two more. We'll see. One more time. Okay, there it goes. Okay. We're going to do the same thing with this side.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Deep breath for me. Okay. Yeah, this shoulder's still hiked up on you.
Really?
Yeah, I need to push this side down. So I just need to come up. Just come up underneath and push. Is that too much?
It's okay.
Okay. I'm going to move on to scraping.
Okay.
So if you want to see what I'm using here, Jess, this is what it looks like.
Okay. And the scraping, what does that do? I never understood it, but education is key.
Yeah. So scraping and cupping are very similar. So cupping is really just a pull. So when they put the suction cup on you and they start pulling this skin up, they're trying to get circulation going into the area. So that way it helps the muscle relax and helps bring new blood and new circulation into the area that normally was not there.
Gotcha.
So that's cupping.
Okay.
But cupping doesn't really do anything for the muscle. It just helps pull circulation into the muscle. But what it doesn't really help me get the knots out of it. So that's what the scraper does. The scraper is a push. So I am pushing circulation through the muscle, through the skin. And this works as the cone.
Okay.
I am pulling through the muscle to get those knots out of it. Yep. At least just in this area. Yeah, a little bit right there. Try and relax this though.
Oh.
I know it's hard.
Very difficult.
It's okay. Here, go ahead. It's all you though. So go ahead and press back.
Oh.
Press, yeah. Yeah, I would say nothing, but I'm just allowing you to be able to do it. Alright, now this one I'm going to have you lean away from me.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
There we go.
Okay.
Try one more time. There's just really stuck. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, that's from all the typing, I guess. Trying to position your hands right, but they're never really, your wrists are still never positioned right. Doesn't matter, it seems like.
Yeah, because your wrist is really this way.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're using the mouse with your right hand,
Mm-hmm.
that's really just crimping this side.
Mm-hmm.
And I could just tell, like, I had to, like, really pull it away.
Well, this hand's probably going to be worse.
Sit straight, yeah. Head back for me. Good. Relax this here. Good. Go ahead and press back. Good. See how that one moved?
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. All right, go ahead and relax the elbow. Good. Good. I'll have you lean away from me.
Yeah, I hear all that.
How's the neck feel?
Good.
Feel a little looser?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, don't move the shoulders.
Oh, sorry.
So I'll hold the shoulder. Now take your neck to your, there you go. I'll look right. There you go. Does that feel a little looser to you
Yes.
than before?
Yes.
Okay. Start a little bit higher, probably by the bra strap or a little bit below.
Okay.
Okay? Just don't go any lower than that.
Gotcha.
Okay, so then I want you to lay back over it, arms over your head. And then knees bent.
Knees bent.
Yep. And then lay over it. Yep.
Oh.
See, there were some other ones we missed. It's good.
Okay.
And then if that's too hard, you can bring the shoulders down.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I understand.
Okay.
Okay.